Hello, in this video we will be showing you how you can search for articles and navigate the MAH Core Online Library. The MAH Core Online Library is a valuable resource for students studying health and social care, as it provides journals such as British Journal of Community Nursing, British Journal of Healthcare Assistance, British Journal of Mental Health Nursing, and British Journal of Nursing, to name but a few. You can see what journals are available for you if you just click on the Journals tab at the top of the page, where a drop-down menu will list the journals available. But for the following example, to see what articles and journals are available for you, we will simply click on the Advanced Search button, which can be found just underneath the search engine near the top right of the screen. At the bottom of the Advanced Search menu, you will see the Advanced button. Just click on that, and from the drop-down options available, just click on Only Content I Have Access to. And if you scroll back up and inside the Enter Search Term option, just type in nursing, and then finally scroll back down and click on the search button. You should now find yourself on a results page which should look like this. It provides a number of articles on the right side of the screen, which will let you know whether or not you have access to them. If an article has full access just above the title, that means you can access it. And if it has no access above the title, that means you cannot access it. On the left side of the screen, you will find multiple menus available that can help you narrow down your search results. The publication date allows you to narrow down your results by the year the articles were published. So say you wanted something between 2020 to 2022, you can either drag the circle around or just type in the dates, and the results on the right side of the screen will change automatically. Topics allows you to narrow down your results by selecting a topic of relevance. Free to read will provide articles that are openly available for you to access even without you having to sign in. Publication allows you to narrow down your search by selecting a publication of interest, ranging from the British Journal of Nursing to veterinary nursing. Author is another useful option where you can search for articles by an author's name. For the next example, we will show you how to read an article. For this example, we'll simply click on Nursing Simulation and Community Experience. You should now find yourself on the following page. You can scroll down and read the article in text format like so. From the top of the screen, you'll notice that there's a number of buttons available. Sections allow you to select a particular section of the article, and once you select one, say the concept, you'll be immediately taken to that section of the article. If you click on PDF EPUB, this will allow you to view the article in a PDF or EPUB format.